channel. So in today's video I will be showing you guys how to go from straight to curly hair. If you're interested in this video, make sure you give this a thumbs up, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. So yeah, keep on watching. Okay, to get started I will be going in with the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair. Is a deep conditioning mask, and this is a great product. It literally keeps my hair super soft while using it, and it does a great job. This also has a blend of rosehip, sweet almond oil, and argan oils with vitamin B5 and protein and biotin. So it will be good if you have damaged hair or any split ends. This is going to help repair the ends of your hair and just your whole hair in general. So yeah, this is what I'll be using today, and it looks like this. To get started, what I'm going to do is I'm going to split my hair into two parts down the middle. Once that's done, I'll just be taking about this amount, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start it more towards the end of my hair, and then I'm just going to work it upwards. Next, what I'm going to go in with is I'm just going to use this wet brush that I have, and I'm just going to make sure I brush my hair through to make sure the whole product is evenly coated. And I'm just going to give it a little bit of a twist. And I'm just going to repeat the same thing on this side to the other side. I'm just going to leave this product on for 30 minutes. I'm going to rinse my hair out, use my shampoo and conditioner, and then I'll show you styling products after. Okay, I wanted to mention I'm going to go in with the Briogeo Scalp Revival. This is a charcoal and coconut oil micro-exfoliating shampoo, and it looks something like this, and it has like these kind of small micro beads inside, which is gonna help exfoliate my scalp, of course, but also to take out any buildup product I have. And then with the conditioner, I'm gonna go in with my Rizo Curls, and this is a conditioner. You can also use this as a deep conditioner as well, and this also is no sulfate, silicone, or no parabens inside the conditioner, so that will be in my two cocktails that I'll be using for my shampoo and conditioner. Okay, so now that my hair is freshly washed, what I'm gonna go in with is the Curlsmith Curl Conditioning Oil and Cream, which is a leave-in cream. And it's this product right here, which I love because it keeps my hair super soft and it gives me a lot of moisture to my curls as well. So this product is a little bit thick, so my hair is just a little bit more on the fine side, so I'm not going to use as much product. So this, I kind of use this for both sides. So I kind of grab my curls together like this, and then I'll take just a little bit more. Make sure I warm it up in my hands. And with this, I'm gonna try to use it on both sides. And then now I'm just raking the product through my hair. And mind you, I still have enough product in my hands. I'm gonna warm it up one more time. And then I'm just gonna use it on the other side of my hair. And since I have finer hair, I'm not gonna bring the product all the way to my roots because I don't want my hair to weigh down and seem flat. Now I'm just gonna use my wet brush again, and I'm just gonna comb it through just to make sure the product is all through my hair. And I'm gonna just take just a little bit more. And my problem is my front areas, so I'm gonna try to use this more towards my front. Okay, so now that's done, I'm just going to take my denim brush, and this is a 5-row brush, so I like to part my hair down in the middle. So I'm just going to take section by section, and I'm going to brush it away from my scalp. So I want to brush it outwards, kind of scrunch it up, and then I just want to do that all throughout my hair.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Okay, so now that I'm finished with my curl cream, my leave-in cream, what the next product I'm going to go in with is the Curlsmith in Shower Style Fixer, and this is a styling gel. It gives you a strong hold to your hair. It helps define your curls, but also helps with the frizz as well. And when I like to use this product is more towards the end of my hair, and I just scrunch it upwards. Okay, so now that's done, I have this water bottle, which I'm just going to spray just a little bit. Just a little. I don't want my hair to dry super quick. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my microfiber towel and just kind of like scrunch up my hair. Now my curls look super defined. This denim brush is a must-have. If you guys don't have one, I suggest you pick one up. Get one from Amazon. It's super cheap. And yeah, my results kind of look like this. So yeah, these are the results that are wet right now, and then I'll come back when it's all dried and done.
I made one mistake, not a big one too. Said I was sorry 1,000 times to you. We used to talk.
Okay, so this is the final result. I end up diffusing my hair because I feel like my hair was taking a little bit too long air drying, so I just diffused it. And this is the final result using my Curlsmith products. So right now I'm just gonna give it just a little bit of a shake so I can add just a little bit of volume to my hair. And now I'm just gonna take my pick and I'm just gonna lift it up so it doesn't look super flat. Anyway guys, sorry for the noise in the background. I hope you guys enjoy the video. And yeah, this is my final results. If you like the video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And also comment below on what you guys think about the video. If you guys want another curly hair tutorial, just make sure you comment below. Until next time. Bye.